Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylee. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. On my channel, I post law of attraction, self-care / growth, routine, and productivity videos here on my channel every Sunday and Wednesday. So make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on a video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 steps to declutter your life. And yes, I have my notebook to go off of so I don't miss anything. So you may ask, why am I feeling overwhelmed? The reason why we are always feeling overwhelmed, or why you're always feeling overwhelmed and stressed, is because of clutter. The whole point of the video. Because of tons of junk mail, loads of laundry, messy desk, just anything that is in a clutter mess is why you're stressed and overwhelmed, because something in your brain is just triggered and you're like, oh my gosh, there's so much that I have to do today and I really don't want to have to do it. You know, you're just in a negative mindset. So when it becomes a negative, it becomes a problem. So here are 10 steps to declutter your life. Okay, so the first step is to clean your home. Throw away unused or hardly used items, broken items, and old items. Just kind of tidy up. You don't have to like deep clean, just straighten up, make things look nice. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that is just the first step, is to clean up. And if you guys want a video on how to get the motivation to do all of this stuff, let me know down below and I will do a video on motivation. Number 2 would be organize your workspace. So for example, like I personally don't have an actual workplace. I usually have to do my work like on the table, and what I do is just clear everything out of the space that I don't need and won't use. And then I'm such an organized freak when it comes to where things are placed, where my water / drink is, and all that. But having an organized workspace will just help you be organized and in the right mindset. So try that out. Number 3 would be intentional with commitments you make. So what that means is give up those that don't help you grow or improve your life. So if you have a commitment to walk the dog every day, then stick with that. If you have a commitment to, I don't know, be fashionable, take Instagram pictures like every day, that's not as realistic, and plus that's harder to do. So stick with, say, walking the dog every day, because one, you're walking, you're getting your exercise, and you're spending time outside. Whereas taking Instagram pictures like every day, it doesn't really get you anywhere like walking the dog. Number 4 is create daily routines or to-do lists. I'm still working on this personally, but it already has helped me a lot, because I'm like, okay, I need to do this and this and this, and like I actually feel like I'm getting stuff done. So make a list of your routine / to-do list, analyze it, and get rid of ones that have no real purpose. So do things that will actually improve you in the long run. Yeah, just do things that will get you where you want to be in the future. So for me, do YouTube stuff almost every day. Playing guitar, that's more like a hobby. I really want to learn it, and also ukulele, because I need to start playing that more. Just do things where in the future you will thank yourself. And number 5 would be selective about incoming info. So stop listening to social media, because social media is toxic. And I kind of explained this in one of my previous videos, but do you really want to just scroll through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of those, and like really let all that information in and believe that? Where if you don't listen to social media, you can actually get shit done that you need to get done, and you'll thank yourself later. I mean, I'm still working on this, so you guys should just keep working on it too. we all just need to stop spending so much time on social media. Besides YouTube, if you're on YouTube, say watching this video, good for you. Number 6 is family. So I talked about this in a previous video of mine, but if you have toxic family, or if your family is just negative, try to ignore them and don't let their negativity get to you. You really just have to focus on yourself, and it is hard to ignore them at first, but girl, you can do it. I know you can. Usually when my family is negative, saying, oh, you can't do this, or you're stupid, I don't listen to them, and I just continue doing what I love. And if you do what you love, opinions of your family and friends are not gonna matter. Number 7 is social life. Some friendships are based on spending meaningless time together or on the urge to be socially accepted. These are things that you need to be honest with yourself about. So, I mean, for me, I knew from like a very young age, like when I was in school, like 2nd, 3rd grade, I'm like, after high school, then what? Everyone goes to college. I don't plan on going to college. We're just gonna drift apart. So I never really made an intention to make friends. If it happened, it happened. I had fun, this and that. Don't make friendships just because you want to have that friendship and you want to be socially accepted. Because if you want to just be socially accepted, you're going to feel terrible. You know, I mean, not right away, but eventually, I mean, you're gonna look back on your friendships and be like, why was I even in that friendship in the first place? So work on that, please. We all need to. Number 8 would be take care of your body. For me, I'm definitely doing that now. I used to not take care of my body at all, and honestly, I didn't really truly know what that meant at first, but now I do. It's where you're like working out, you're eating healthy, you're not putting junk into your body, and you know, doing skincare, putting lotion on when your skin is dry. Just take care of your body. Your body is special. Number 9 would be take care of your mental state. So keep doing the things that keep you in a happy state. So if you love playing guitar, continue playing guitar. If you love going on night drives, blasting the music, keep doing that. Reduce the elements that throw you off balance. I can't think of anything on top of my mind, but you know what I mean. Just get rid of the things that keep you not in check, less and less. And pay attention to the thoughts and feelings that you are having. So if a certain movie, well, no, that's a bad example. Just focus on what you're thinking and feeling, and at first, if it is kind of like a negative thought, like think it, but once you think it, don't overthink it, and just kind of move on. Accept it and move on. And last but not least, number 10 would be simple life maintenance. This is a lifelong strategy. Make a list with all the elements that you need to declutter your life, and in time, they will become your life. So, okay, with that one, I hate to admit this. Actually, no, I don't hate to admit this. I am 20 and I suck doing dishes. I don't really keep my room clean that much, and I need to work on that. I think since I'm 20, it's hard for me to accept, like, wow, like I'm an adult now. I need to actually start doing adult things like keeping my room clean, keeping the house clean, doing the dishes. But a part of me just really doesn't want to leave that teenager self of mine. And I don't know, I'm working on it this year for sure. And this year I'm gonna be 21, and it's just like, what? Where has time gone? Just do simple things, and over time it will become your routine, and it will become your life where it's not a chore anymore. It's just what you have to do for that day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.